Year in and year out, the Blue Angels dazzle crowds across the world with their razor-sharp formation flying and the raw power of the FA-18 Super Hornet. They represent the pinnacle of aviation excellence. To the awestruck crowd, these pilots are enigmatic figures, identified by numbers on the tails of their jets. But behind these numbers are extraordinary men and women, skilled beyond measure, who, believe it or not, only do the job for a few years. Ever wondered what it takes to don the iconic blue uniform and what it's like to be part of this prestigious team? Strap in, and let's find out.